What's going on, guys? I'm gonna take a quick look here at this 3D launcher. It's a really cool launcher and it's free. Let's go ahead and start showing you guys the name of the launcher. So the name of the launcher is a Comet 3D launcher. Comet 3D launcher. It's free. There's no charge. There is no trial version or anything like that. So looking at the desktop, we get this really cool clock. You can flip the clock if you want to change the theme or the style. As you guys can see on the Note 3 right here on the left, we get the analog clock, and on the HTC One Max we get the digital clock. On the digital clock we get the time, we get the month, the date, and also the day of the week. We can flip it by just going like that, and as you guys can see, there is a small dot that is going around. That's for the seconds. And then right here on the Note 3 we get this really cool ring that goes around counting the seconds. So as far as the icons, as you guys can see, the icons also change. They kind of look like a 3D icons effect, really cool, futuristic looking. Down here we get this dock, and you can change and add more icons to the dock. As you guys can see, you get this 3D effect too. Same thing right here with the Note 3. Going into the app drawer, and as you guys can see, as I press, we get that 3D effect, and this is how the app drawer looks like. You can customize the transition effect. Right now on the HTC One Max we have this one, which is stuck, and as you guys can see, it's really fast. It doesn't slow down the phone. On the Note 3 we have this one, really cool. And if we press right here, it takes you back to the desktop. Now as far as accessing, one more thing, the transition effect from the home screen, it's this one, which is kind of like a 3D cube. Same thing here on the Note 3. And as far as accessing the menu, we flip right here at the bottom, and we get access to this really cool 3D effect menu. At this point we have a plus, so we can add a widget. If we click on the plus, we can add a widget. We get this really cool menu that opens. You can add an app, you can add a widget, you can add a folder or a shortcut. If you click the plus, it's gonna open the app drawer. From this point you can click on multiple applications at the same time, as many as you can fit on that particular screen. And then when you click down, 3, 4, 5, whatever applications are gonna be added to the home screen. You can also create folders. Hard press, click on folder. You can change the name of the folder, and then after that click on the applications you want to add, click done, and the folder is created. And that's how it looks like when you access it. Also right here we get this really cool quick settings widget. You can control the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, GPS, the data, and the brightness for the screen. As you guys can see, that's really cool, so you don't have to access the settings to change the brightness of the phone. As far as the menu, or how to access the preferences, is we see right here. This is the menu that the application offers. You can basically click here if you want the phone to vibrate every time you press on something. Click effect, that's when you click on one of the icons and it kind of like glows. And the main menu slide, it's for the app drawer. they offer all these different transition effects. You can change the icon size, you can back up, and then you can update the application. Every time you make a change, you can update. Unfortunately, they don't offer too many options for transition effects on the desktop, just this one. But on the app drawer, you can change the transition effects for whatever you want. So you can switch it from right here too. Let's do inner box. So that's how it looks like now. So anyways, guys, that's all I have for right now. Again, the name of this launcher, Comet 3D launcher, and it's free. It looks a lot like the next launcher 3D, which is, I believe, is $14 or $16 on the market. So this is free. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you later. That was the Note 3 and the HTC One Max Comet 3D launcher.